Good morning everyone. Welcome back to another episode on my channel. Today we are going to make a very healthy, delicious and a popular side dish, Palak Paneer. Paneer of course is healthy and spinach is also loaded with nutrition. So this combination is really awesome, and with lot of garlic added to this along with some butter or desi ghee and little bit of cream, the flavors are amazing. You can enjoy it with rotis, naans, and we end up ordering this dish always when we go to dine out in the restaurants. So shall we proceed to make this? Palak Paneer, a very nutritious and delicious side dish to serve with rotis. I've taken one bunch of palak or spinach. It's very tender. I'll be using it with the stalks. One onion large, chopped finely. Oil 2 tablespoons. Desi ghee or clarified butter 2 tablespoons. We'll be using both. Fresh cream 2 tablespoons. Paneer, I've taken 200 grams. Here we have some green chillies chopped. Crushed garlic 2 tablespoons. Garam masala 1 teaspoon. Turmeric powder half teaspoon, and salt as needed. For your reference, the list is also shared in the description box. Now let's begin by blanching the spinach. Wash it very well and transfer it into a cooking pot or a pan. Add 1 cup of water. That should be sufficient. Add little salt and the green chilies. Cover and cook for few minutes. In between, open the lid and stir the spinach. Hydroponic spinach is really very tender, so I'm using it with the stalks. There's a lot of water also comes out from the greens. After 1 more minute, again you flip it so that it cooks evenly. Cover the lid and again cook for a couple of minutes more. Now the spinach is done. Do not discard the water. Grind it along with the water. Then we will not have to add any more water for the gravy. Now for paneer, I am heating some water. Just bring it to a boiling point and add the paneer pieces and switch off the gas. This is the tip to get a nice soft texture of the paneer in the curries. Leave it for at least 5 minutes or maybe more. The paneer is nice and soft. You can just add it to the gravies when you want to make any dish. Now in a pan, we are going to saute this blanched and ground palak. But first we will fry the garlic. So heat some oil and ghee, saving little for later. In the end we'll add some more ghee. Now add the crushed garlic. Saute it until it's nice and golden brown, because the fried garlic really adds flavors. Stir in the onions and saute them together now. You can see now they are translucent. By the way, have you subscribed to the channel? If not, please do so and click on the bell icon so that you get all the notifications. Now after stirring for a little more time, add the spice powders, turmeric powder and garam masala. Now stir in the spinach puree. What a lovely color it has. You might have noticed I didn't add anything to retain the color. Normally when we blanch spinach, we add little sugar or a pinch of baking powder to retain the green color. Cook on medium flame. Check the salt. Add if required. It's always better to adjust the salt later. Now remove the paneer cubes from the hot water and add them to the pan. You can use the water to knead the dough or making soups and gravies. You don't have to throw it away. This way the paneer will have nice and soft texture. Mix it gently. Now cover and simmer. After 1 minute you can open, stir it little. Add the cream at this stage. I add about 2 tablespoons. You can add as much as you desire. Mix and cook for 1 more boil. After adding the cream, do not overcook. Finally, add some desi ghee or clarified butter. You can even add the normal butter also if you wish. Palak paneer is ready. This is very simple and delicious meal. Serve it with rotis and nothing else you need. Make and enjoy. Stay tuned for the next recipe. Bye until then. Take care of yourself. See you soon. Thank you for watching, and here are some videos from the archives. If you wish, you can check them out as well.